aren't comfortable with it, and that's fine. So as long as you're comfortable with riding in a group, this big group will ride like staggered. So each person can have the full length of the lane. We're going into turns.
So you were filming my butt all the way down here?
Yes, I did. Look at how many bikes we have here, right? Beautiful. Are you leaving, Tom? This is my camera.
Hey, how you doing? We're having a great day here in Stockbridge, Illinois. Not Illinois, it's Michigan.
Don't tell me you're leaving now.
No, I'm just
I'll walk around?
I don't think a group will stay together, so
Oh yeah, okay.
we separate and you take care of Robbie.
All right, good luck.
Thank you. Yeah. Dave, this one has a trolling suspension, so they're
So Justin, how often does this happen here?
They do a spring ride and a fall ride for all clubs. This is the larger of the two.
Okay. That's it?
That's it. I think. I don't know. I think there were more bikes here earlier in the day.
It's beautiful.
But
Wow.
if you saw all the bikes we passed on the road, I've seen it more packed than this in the past.
Look at that. I like that one. 400.
Yeah, that was the bike I had in college.
Really?
I was in ROTC and I used the money from ROTC to buy an RD400.
Nice bike.
Yeah, the Kenny Roberts yellow one.
What color you got?
Wouldn't that be nice?
Same.
Kenny Roberts.
Same one?
Exactly the same, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Red Kenny Roberts is cool next to those white.
Yeah, turns out. Good size. Good size. A single. Probably makes one nice.
It's a nice.
Yeah.
1964 probably. I don't know.
No.
Even
Like, I don't know. That's in the teens, right?
I think it's earlier than that.
16.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
wow.
The 60s were pretty modern compared to this. Now that's one you don't see a whole lot of. The AMF.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that? It's an Italian thing, right?
So this is from 1916.
I met a guy here years ago, and I want to say it was it was a while ago. He had a bike.
Your son is riding like a small one, right?
Yeah, he's got a CRF 50. How you doing? Can you buy
First.
these? I think there might be a few of them left. I saw. You obviously bought it, right? Yeah. Where did I? There's one in Grand Rapids that I saw. So they're pretty rare. I guess I haven't seen. Some places got like 2 or 3 of them.
I'm video the homeless people here. What are you doing? On the call?
Talking to my parents.
Hi.
This is my coworker Robbie.
How say it? Do you say assalamu alaikum?
Yeah, say it.
Hey, assalamu alaikum. Mahasalava.
He also rides a Ducati.
Right.
Assalamu alaikum, ma salama.
By yourself? But no one else on your bike. No, just by myself.
So did that guy take off?
There's Portage John's right there. I sold 8160. I gave him
shouldn't even have.
So they know 1965, right?
Yeah.
Corvette
See on the historical license plate.
is on there. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at the steering
You
wheel.
want to sit in there? I can take a picture of you smiling.
This car. How do you like this car? Good. So how do you feel, German guy riding the typical US car?
Yeah, living the dream, right?
Wow, this
Can't
is
afford a
awesome.
Porsche, so that's why I needed the vet.
No, I like this even more. Very good. Look at the dashboard here.